Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and welcome to an intermediate Python programming series, or you could say Python fundamentals that aren't basics anymore. So now in Python basics series, in the past I was just adding up things over a time. So now with intermediate Python programming, I will kind of break this down, and there is kind of three trademarks in intermediate Python programming, and that is one of its is efficient, and it scales well because as you grow a project and if the project is successful, it needs to be scaled. Okay, like I will give you an example. So let's say you have a computer which has only 5 GB of storage, and you have some programs and you are running one program at a time. First of all, okay, in the starting you are running only one program. It will show you the results immediately or after some time. But if you are running 10 programs at a time, it will take you some time, right? And if you are running hundreds of programs, it will take you some more time. But if you have thousands and lakhs of programs, it will take it won't run, right? So like that only, in programming also, in programming language also, you need to go back again and pay off a bunch of technical debt. Okay, so if the programs are not working, then you need to have one more computer, or you need to delete some more files, or you can add one more socket if you have. So like that only in computers. So now the second thing is maintainability. So a lot of this is just readability and how easily we can understand it, but also how well you write your functions, classes, methods, which allows you to actually grow a time and improve it, because a lot of times you are just going to get to the point where as the projects grows and you want to add new things or change things, it can become nastiness, right? So then the last thing, the third thing is just modularity. And the idea here is that when you make something, your goal should be that probably you want to use this in other projects of your own, or maybe the other people can make use of the programs that you are writing. So that makes extremely generalizable. Okay, that should be the goal. Sorry. So now in terms of maintainability, I will just point you towards PEP 8. Okay, PEP 8. PEP 8 is a style guide for Python. It's not style Bible. It's not dogmatic. It's just like a suggestion. If you don't feel very strongly about something, use whatever the puppet says. Okay, so this is the website python.org/dev/peps slash pep dash 0008 slash. Then you should type this in your web browser, then you will open this site. Okay, and I think Zen of Python is more important than pep 8. I will open my ideally here Python shell in okay. So now what I will do is I will type here import this. So as you can see here, it's showing this is known as Zen of Python by Tim Peters. Okay, if you type import this in your shell, it will show this like this. Okay, beautiful is better than ugly, etc. Okay, so guys, that's all for this video, and I will be seeing you guys in the next videos. Thank you, bye bye.